How to get started with Google Workspace Email. Google Workspace Email is part of the Google Workspace suite, providing professional email services for businesses and organizations. It includes features such as custom email addresses, enhanced security, and integration with other Google Workspace applications. Here's how to get started with Google Workspace Email. Getting started with Google Workspace Email. 1. Visit Google Workspace website *. Go to the Google Workspace website, https://workspace.google.com. 2. Choose a plan *. Select the Google Workspace plan that best suits your organization's needs. Plans typically include business email, storage, and collaboration tools. 3. Sign up *. Click on the Get Started button on the pricing page. Follow the prompts to sign up for a Google Workspace account. 4. Domain verification *. During the sign-up process, you'll need to verify ownership of your domain. This involves adding a text or name record to your domain's DNS settings. 5. Domain setup *. If you don't have a domain, you can register a new one during the sign-up process. If you already have a domain, you'll need to configure the DNS settings to point to Google servers. 6. Create user accounts *. Add users to your Google Workspace account. Each user typically gets a custom email address associated with your domain, example user@yourdomain.com. 7. Configuration *. Set up email routing, security settings, and other configurations based on your organization's requirements. 8. Accessing email *. Once the setup is complete, users can access their professional email accounts through the Gmail interface at https://mail.google.com using their custom email addresses. 9. Migration, optional. If you are migrating from another email provider, Google Workspace provides tools and resources to migrate your existing emails, contacts, and calendar events. 10. Security settings *. Explore and configure security settings for your organization, including two-factor authentication, device management, and advanced security features. 11. Collaboration tools *. Take advantage of other Google Workspace collaboration tools that seamlessly integrate with Gmail, such as Google Drive, Google Calendar, Google Meet, and more. 12. Training and support *. Familiarize yourself and your team with the features of Google Workspace Email using the Google Workspace Learning Center, https://support.google.com/user/answer/9304609. Access support through the Google Workspace Help Center, https://support.google.com/a. Remember that Google Workspace is a subscription-based service, and you will need to pay for the chosen plan based on the number of users in your organization. Ensure that you comply with the terms of service and review the pricing details on the Google Workspace website.